Welcome to my channel Z Tech. Today we are going to learn how to sign out from Dropbox on PC. Simply you can refresh your computer and then go to a sidebar where you can see customization. Then you simply go to start and open Dropbox. Yes, after opening Dropbox, you can see your Dropbox is open on a taskbar behind your desktop. You can simply click on it, click to the second settings and go to preferences. Here you can simply click on account and here is an option unlink the Dropbox. Unlink the Dropbox. Simply click on it and press OK. This is how you can sign out from Dropbox on PC. If you have any problem, then comment below. Otherwise, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching Z Tech.